Hey, we're live. Welcome, everybody. It's our Friday Hangout. Getting ready. I'm here with my main man, Dexiago Capitalist. How you doing, buddy?
Yo, Take Back Friday is in full effect.
In full effect. I'm ready for Guitar Solo Friday. Maybe I'll play us out later.
That'll work.
But listen, folks, right in the live chat, there's a link to our Discord. We're letting little bits of people in at a time. We put out these little links, only lets 10, 15 people in at a time, even from our PulseWave group, because we just want it to grow slowly and experience it. So one of the things, Dex, I think you've been seeing this. People are just dying to hear your commentary more. You're giving them as much as you can at this moment. But one of the things that we know everybody wants is totally uncensored commentary. And
Right.
When it comes to PulseWaves, it's not that we're going to like take our shirts off or anything like that. It's that
even though my shirt is off right now, actually. Real talk.
Yeah, but that's easy to say at the camera. No, I don't believe. No, I'm not going to encourage this. But but it is a great way for us to talk without any thoughts of censorship. Silverback Gorilla's there. I know he'll be in the Discord. So yeah, if you want to join us in the Discord, I just shared the link. I'll actually, I'm not even going to share it in the main comments because we're looking to have this live conversation, and we'll be given more opportunities in the future. But Dex, to start off, before we get in there, let's go over some basic stuff. I'm going to share a screen. This is my oh, wow. That's actually BCH is looking pretty cool. We've had some fun in cryptos the last 24 hours. Here, I'll share this for you.
Sure enough.
Let's check this out. So I meant to pull up a Bitcoin chart, but I'm enjoying this Bitcoin Cash chart just fine. That's the daily chart, Bitcoin Cash USDT, breaking through the Kumo cloud. Of course, these aren't our proprietary algo charts. These are just our sort of basic indicators that we like to use and share with our members. But to pull up the big dog, BTC, looking even better. I like how this Kumo cloud looks like the bottom of America, kind of. It's like,
wow.
It just looks like BTC taking over America, right?
Yeah, right. I like that. That's a good point.
Right now, it's like in my neighborhood. It's somewhere in New York right now. You know, if the American flag's stretched out.
Love it.
I'm gonna let you talk, Dex. What are your thoughts on Bitcoin going into the weekend, cryptos going into the weekend, gold going into the weekend? What are your thoughts, man? A lot of people saying that we're on the verge of some kind of big thing going to happen, and we'll talk more about that in the Discord. But go ahead.
It's just like I said in last night's end of day report. For those that missed the last night's end of day report for Take Back Friday, I strongly suggest that you go and watch that. Yeah, we went over a lot more charts than we normally do, and we looked at the weekly charts, and I told everybody what they could expect based on where the markets were currently at and our trajectories of where they're going. And so far with the Bitcoin, I did tell everyone that the next zone is the 50 to 55,000 zone, that it's going to be a strong resistance zone. And it's a very important zone because it could be the one where the rally fails at. All right. So as you can see, right after I said that, everyone woke up this morning, and now the Bitcoin futures is up almost 2,200 points.
Wowzers.
All right. So, and it wasn't at the time of the video. So just something for you guys, to think about. These rally and crash alerts are very important. Some more important than others. So that's why it's very important that you you have your PulseWave reports on your dashboard so you can know we try to warn you of what's coming before the market does it, not as it's doing it. We tell you in advance. So I think this is going to continue, and I think we will probably have a continuation pattern going into next week based on where cryptos close by 6 p.m. Eastern Standard New York time on Sunday. So right now it's on that trajectory to continue to rally into next week.
Nice. Like to hear that.
Oh yeah.
And, as a long-term holder, it doesn't really mean anything to me other than it'll be fun looking at my phone on the weekend. That's really all it does. As a long-term
exactly.
But in terms of using the pulse waves for trade opportunities, it's very, very, very helpful and practical. I'm trying to load. I think I'm overloading my computer right now, so it's having trouble loading reports. But
don't feel bad. I have trouble in the evenings now pulling up equity charts. If it's something that's not already in my PulseWave system,
Mhm.
I have trouble pulling them up sometime lately. I don't know if they've been working, doing some kind of updates at the repositories or what, but
Right.
I've been having that issue lately.
Yeah. I wonder if the internet isn't just failing and we need Theta to come and save it. That's what all my Theta bros are saying.
Look, you are scaring me because that's what I was beginning to think too. I'm like, why is the internet acting weird all of a sudden?
Man, the band, from what I understand, and I will totally talk out of my, I'll do my John Kerry, not John Kerry, Jim Carrey. Actually, it applies to both. I'll do my Jim Carrey or John Kerry impersonation and talk out of my butt for a minute. My understanding of Theta is that while the popular, and you guys know I'm a big fan, so total shill, I hold it, full disclosure, not financial advice, blah, blah, blah. But my understanding, there's a lot of the press around Theta, or the way people understand it, is in light of Theta.tv, which is, like a YouTube competitor, right? It's a blockchain-based streaming service. But I think people think of that as like an equivalent to BitChute or something like that. But you pull back, the mission of Theta has to do with providing broadband power to the world through their edge nodes and their guardian nodes and their validator nodes. So it's actually, while they have a site that is like a little YouTube competitor or whatever, their goal would they would much rather turn that off forever and be YouTube's broadband connection. I'm saying that's so wrong. People are screaming at this, but you guys know what I mean. In other words, they want to provide the bandwidth. Bandwidth was the word I was using for. They would rather have it be that Theta itself provided the bandwidth for YouTube. It's not about competing with YouTube. And not only that, but for all of the internet, providing bandwidth so that people can stream very heavy content more effectively. So that's my layman's understanding of what Theta is actually trying to do in the world. And that's why people think it's going to be the number 2 or 3 crypto, because we have a bandwidth problem, from what I understand, in the world, especially now that they locked us all home and told us to work anyway. We were talking, my wife has a degree in psychology. We were talking about how all of these therapy businesses are doing them entirely through Zoom, where it's to the point where we know somebody who moved across the country and didn't lose their clients.
Wow.
Like, when would a therapist be able to move across the country without losing their clients? So everything's changing and everybody's extremely dependent on bandwidth. And my understanding of the sort of like deep cult enthusiasm, which I share about Theta, it comes from that idea that Theta is going to come in and save the day when it comes to bandwidth. So you guys feel free to light me up in the comments for misunderstanding and misspeaking a million different ways about that. But that's the gist of it. We do have a request, Dex. Digibyte. Let me pull up my Digibyte. Do you have a Digibyte algo chart that you can pull up before I find mine?
I don't know if is that on our list. I don't know if it is.
I thought.
Let me just double check.
I
can't always remember everything that's on the list.
Oh, I know there's thousands. I was gonna say I confuse it with a.
Is Digibyte DIGI?
No, it's
or DIVI, whatever.
DGB.
What is it?
DGB, I believe.
DGB. Yes, we do have that on here.
Thought so.
DGB. Okay, yeah, we do have it. Okay.
This is like.
It's on our report.
All right, let's correct this if we're wrong. It's okay. So DGB. Yeah. So here it is. Wow. Look at this guy.
Is that a weekly or a daily?
This is a daily, man. This is a fun chart.
Wow.
Digibyte people are crazy. I love them, man. They're all like they're in other stuff. They're not too they're not going to yell at you for liking Bitcoin, but Digibyte people are always like, just watch us.
Are you looking at the and you said is that a weekly or daily?
This is a daily tether chart, DGB and tether.
So that's the USD. Okay.
Yeah.
Give me just a second.
Yeah, do your thing, man.
I need to double check something real quick.
Silverback Gorilla, I hold Theta, but I'd like to trade T-Fuel. Can you elaborate, Silverback Gorilla? Especially now that I've seen your face. He was live on our Discord. Let me put the Discord link one more time. Hold on, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Whenever I go to copy a link, it shows my whole clipboard history, which is always like passwords and stuff. So this is the Discord link. This expires, by the way. We do that so that we can grow it slowly, because we're still getting used to Discord. So that's our Discord link. I just posted it in the live chat. Good morning, OG. Yeah,
All right, on the
this is what I'm talking about. Sorry, Dex. This is the Digibyte people. Martin958. I love it. They all say this, and I love them for it. I love anybody who sticks by their crypto.
what's the current price on that Digibyte?
Okay, so we're looking at a USDT chart. It's 7 cents and change.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I had to verify because I don't really get questions on that one for a while, so I wanted to look at my algo stuff. Okay. All right. So as far as the pulse waves are concerned, that market has been in the algo Kumo cloud for a minute, and looks like based on today, it is finally broken out of that cloud. And here's the weird part. What's the low, today's low on that Digibyte?
Sorry, I was putting my guitar down. It was annoying me. Low of the day is 06010. 0.0610.
060.
Yes.
06010
That's correct. That's the low of the daily.
of the on the daily. Okay.
Yeah, right there. Oh, let me share it. Sorry, buddy.
Okay. For those that are PulseWave subscribers, you've already been enjoying this run up since it was at 3 cents.
Oh, wow.
So
That's awesome.
Yeah, and the last rally alert we had would have been on July the 21st. And then we had
yeah, I'm looking at it right here.
Yeah, this is crazy.
By the way, what was that? July 21st. Look at that bottom. Look,
like 3 cents.
Are you kidding me?
0.0378.
Dex, look at that.
Yeah,
that
was been giving you nothing but upside production, man.
That's where the signal started for us to go long.
Yes,
that's really beautiful, dude. Congratulations, Dex.
Yeah, man. The pulse waves. You know, what can you say, man? I mean, like I said, that's not one that I normally even look at. That's why I had to pull it up, because I'm like, huh, what are they talking about? I don't really, I didn't even really know what the symbol was. I'm like, what symbol are you guys referring to? Because that's not something that we normally even look at the end of their report.
So keep your eyes on the pulse waves for that one, because it's
it's DGB, right?
DGB, yeah.
All right, hold on. I want
confirmed in comments by one of their devotees, which I don't say pejoratively.
Hold on.
I love it when people love a crypto. It excites me and cracks me up. And Hangout's here. What's up, buddy?
Okay, look. All right, I'm gonna share my screen now with you, just real quick for a second.
Yeah, go ahead.
So people can see I ain't making it up. Now, PulseWave subscribers already know what the real is because they've been looking on the dashboard. But for those of you at home that don't believe it, here we go. Here it is right here. This is July the 21st of 2021. You see this rally alert buy signal, right? Mm-hmm. And look at all the upside production. Wow. We came into today looking for a possible crash alert. That did not materialize. The market continued to run, which was good. But see, you're coming upon resistance. You said the last price was what? 8 or 9 cents?
Mm-hmm. Down at the bottom was where it was 3. That's what I was talking about. How the
but today's price 7. Okay, so already the market is up here. It's right here. All right, and then here's the bottom of the Kumo cloud right here. All right, the bottom of the Kumo cloud is at 8 cents even. All right, so you're getting close to that overhead resistance, which is the bottom of the Kumo cloud, the algo Kumo cloud.
Yep.
All right, that's something to think about. So definitely start popping your way through this. Do not give back all your gains. Use the pop method to start popping your way through it, and don't give back all your gains. At the least, if you don't want to use pop, at least use the recommended stop loss on the report. Okay, I just had to show everybody that. So
can I highlight something, Dex?
Yeah.
Just to compare, Dex was mentioning something, and I know for old hat pulse wavers, you know what this is about. But just for people who are newer, this red blotch here is the Kumo cloud that it's cutting through. That's the one on the charts that you get when you set them up our way using TradingView. Dex is showing us his actual behind-the-scenes algo chart, which is proprietary. We can't share that. These are useful for us. They're very helpful for us to look at on a daily basis. But what matters the most is Dex's chart. So this is really helpful because if you're looking at just the standard chart with, readily available indicators that we all like and use. Yeah, it cut through the Kumo cloud, but that's the beauty of having access to the PulseWaves, is because to be coming up on that algo cloud means resistance. So that was very helpful for Digibyte people. So thanks for the question, Martin. You're the man.
And the good news is the algo charts that I use, which are proprietary, that's already factored into the daily reports.
Cool.
Isn't that neat? So if you looked at your dashboard last night, you would have saw that the Digibyte had that 88 reading, letting you know that it was in the Kumo cloud. Interesting, isn't it?
Very interesting. I like Martin's faith, though. He goes, "Watch that resistance blow." Dude, I'm on your side. I hope it happens, man.
It more likely will.
That's ready, but yeah, that'd be great.
It probably will. Seriously, it probably will, because the markets tend to do that in strong bull markets. You'll get a crash alert sell signal, but you'll get no downside production confirmation. So you would still be holding your longs, because the recommended daily stop wouldn't be hit, nor would the pop method stop be hit.
Very cool.
Isn't that neat?
Very neat. All right, I'm gonna cut you short, Dex, but not really, because we're gonna be at least live in the Discord. So we're still getting used to Discord, so be nice to us in there. I've shared the link a bunch of times. It's gonna last you an hour or two, and we'll see you guys in there. We're just gonna hang out for a little while. Friday afternoon chat. If we get really bored, well, we won't, because it's fun. We're calling this, Dex, you don't know this. We're calling this the after party. Dex, that's amazing marketing. I was expecting a bigger attaboy.
You caught me off guard.
The after party. That's awesome. All right, folks. Anyway.
Oh, you see what Silverback said? He said the Litecoin went on a run and the price triggers are on point.
Oh, all right. That's the first thing we're going to pull up in the after party. We'll see you there. Good one, Silverback. All right, folks. We'll meet you in the after party. I might already be there. I'm always confused about that app. I'm probably live streaming in there all day and I don't know it.
Oh, boy.
No, I'm kidding. All right. See you guys. We'll be back soon. Click the link, get in that Discord, and we'll chat for a bit. We'll see you there.
And the rest of you have a great weekend.
Yeah, great weekend. Thanks, everybody. It was a great week with you. See you soon.